Hey guys, today I'm changing engine oil for a Nissan Altima. This is a 2011 2.5S special edition. I already jacked up the vehicle on a level the car, and before you drain the oil, make sure the cap you have to open and pull the dipstick up so the oil can drain completely from the engine. So I already set up a couple of things, so let's start it to drain the oil. So this is the drain plug underneath the car, and this is the 14 millimeter bolt. We have to lose this one, so let me lose this. So I lose the bolt, so now let me drain. So leave it over here. So once it's get drained, we're gonna remove the oil filter and also replace the oil filter. So I'm also gonna show you where's the oil filter located for a Nissan Altima. It's right on the passenger side. So just give me a second. Right beside this seal, this is the oil filter. Front passenger side. So we're gonna lose the oil filter. I'm using this clamp to lose the oil filter. This is a spin-on oil filter. So I'm gonna grab. Just lose a little bit so the oil, remaining oil can drain. So now hopefully I'm gonna okay. Today also I'm gonna show you the oil filter I take out. That's a CarQuest aftermarket, the shop where last oil change has been changed. They use a CarQuest, and I'll show you which oil filter I'm using for my customer cars. I'm using for a Nissan original oil filter. This is the part number, and is original Nissan oil filter. So I'm gonna put this one. Okay. Also, each time I'm using a oil change, I'm also changing a new original drain plug washer, which is the old drain plug has totally flush, and it's basically needs to be replaced. So I'm gonna show you after this replacement. So as you see, I replaced a new crush washer on a drain plug. So we're gonna install this one. So as you see, we put it back the drain plug, and now it's time to fill the oil inside the vehicle engine. So I'm using a Mobile One full synthetic 0W20 for this vehicle. So we're gonna put 4.3 quarts to make sure the oil level is not above these two dots. Always make sure so guys, make sure the oil level after you fill up is supposed to be between these two dots. Sometimes the technician overfill, which is not good. It's harmful for your all the seals of your engines. So I'm gonna fill up and show you after I fill up on the correct level. Okay, to getting a correct level of the oil, you have to start the engine, and about 30 seconds, and after that you have to pull the dipstick and measure the level, which is I already took this out, but I'm gonna wipe. So I'm gonna push this back to the slot to check the oil level. So this is the level right now at this time, which is correct. Don't need to be overfilled. Alright guys, the oil has been done, and I hope you enjoy my video, and the information I provide you that will helpful for your next oil change. Make sure the oil filter you're using is supposed to be very premium quality, because the oil filter is very important, because all the engines go through the oil filter into the engine, and if the oil filter is not that good, your engine performance will be not that good. And alright, so time to go. I hope you'll like my video. If you like it, please like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.